Hi, this is Joel from Chapman Manufacturing, and I'm pretty excited about this kit. It is our Mity Handy set. This is a throwback kit to the kits that we used to make in the red vinyl cases from the 50s till the 80s. And it has kind of a throwback bit diagram design that was taken from some of our old advertising from the 60s. 17 bits and a hand flame treated ratchet. This is something that we used to do to our ratchets as far back as the 30s and 40s. We're not exactly sure why. We think that it improved the texture of the stainless. These ones, this is purely cosmetic, but it looks like one of our old ratchets, and it leaves a really neat kind of modeled colored design on it. So this is the Mity Handy set, and you can buy it on our website, chapmanmfg.com.